Okay, let's go over what you need to know for tomorrow. S&P futures are up, Dow Jones futures are up, Nasdaq futures are up, and Russell 2000 futures are up. They're not up by a ton, and I imagine when the market opens tomorrow, it's gonna open down. Oil is up quite a bit, and that's for the same reason the market, I imagine, is gonna open down tomorrow, and that is the negotiations with Iran are just completely falling apart, and I think it's mostly because Trump decided he was gonna do the cut the snake's head off. In reality, you can't take out the leader of a nation and then expect to have normal negotiations. Plus, he keeps saying Jared Kushner and Steve Witkoff, and they're garbage. I wouldn't negotiate with them either. So, the market's going to open down probably. Oil's up. 10-year treasuries are still up, and I imagine those are going to just stay up. It hasn't gone down Trump's whole term, and that's mostly because the U.S. looks super unstable. Stories I'm watching, big week for tech earnings. If there's any of these tech companies that come out with bad earnings, I imagine it's going to tank the whole market quite a bit, but it's going to be a big week. Iran has destroyed a ton of military bases, and it's coming out now that billions upon billions of dollars are just been completely destroyed. Bases have been just completely leveled, and the U.S. taxpayer is going to have to pay for that. So that's going to add a ton onto the national debt, which has just exploded under Trump. So that's not good either. And plus, if he wants to do this ballroom, because, his little incident play, whatever, yesterday, he's pushing that. So it's just going to add more debt. And I think the U.S. is heading for a debt crisis real quickly. But that's what you need to know for tomorrow.